Hello, it's April from Snapdragon Hollow, and today I have a really fun haul to share with you. This is a haul from a toy company called Fair Play. I have been shopping at Fair Play for a couple of years now and have found some really fun treasures for my collections. And I recently placed a really large order for some different flat lay projects that I'm working on, as well as to build one specific collection that you will see here in this haul. It's a very prevalently one type of really fun toy that I will share with you, as well as a bunch of other fun goodies. So you can see how these all came wrapped. I opened up the box from the order and it all came wrapped in individual little packages. So I thought I'm gonna go ahead and film this unboxing because this just looks like so much fun. What a fun way to package these items. All these toys are really kind of fun and unique little items with a sort of an old-fashioned theme to them typically, or just really neat, a really neat little theme to all of these toys here. I just love the products that this company has curated. So I think we're just going to get into it. I don't know what's in each of these packages, well, because they are wrapped. So I thought that we would just go ahead and unwrap these all and check them out. So we'll start with this one here. And here is the first item. These are little wood villages. I believe this is the brand Dragano, something like that. Let me go ahead and look up the name of it on the website so that I can tell you correctly. Okay, so these are from the Dragino company. I'm not sure I'm saying that right. I believe it's German, but I'm not sure. And this is a set that I bought a bunch of. You'll see a bunch of this small type of wooden village in this haul today. I have some really much older ones from years and years ago in my Christmas decor that I used to set up a little tiny village of. I've got some that have a little bit more Christmassy theme to them and some that just look like little villages just like this. I thought this would be perfect for multiple projects, so I thought I would go ahead and get them, all the ones that Fair Play sold. And again, that's fairplayprojects.com if you're interested as well. This is the Small World Schoolhouse set. So there's a bunch of different sets of these. You can see here's a little schoolhouse, couple of houses. You've got little wooden pieces here that are like for fencing. It always comes with these little animals. They remind me of different little wooden pieces made by the Haba company and by other German brands. So I'm always drawn to these. I just think that they're really cute. So that's the first item. We'll see more of those in this haul. But this is something else. Oh, I know what this is. I've been studying fairy tales with my grandkiddos. We are learning all the classic fairy tales, and we just got through with Snow White. So I will have to show this to them now that they are familiar with the tale. This is one of those little viewing houses. There you can actually see in there the image. It's a little hard, of course, on a camera here to get that focused. But you look through there, and then you can click this and see little images of the story of Snow White. I love these. They are very vintage inspired and totally adorable. I've got TVs, little square TVs of these as well, and I wanted the chalets in my collection as well. I'm hoping little by little to collect them all. I can't remember if I got one or two in this order. I'll have to see. But they're a little bit pricey, so I'll probably collect them over time. But I wanted Snow White because that's the one that we've been working on this last week. There's this package. Oh, I know what these are. I'm obsessed with all things a miniature, and here we have sort of a miniature version of these wooden sets here. I didn't get all of them that they had, but I did pick out my favorites. They look like little matchboxes, you can see, which I think is just wonderful. This is a little train set, a little wooden train set. So we've got our little wooden train and the train station. So this will be perfect for miniatures and other little projects. I would love to buy some of these when the kids are older as stocking stuffers. This is a little village set. You can see how cute that is. You can build the village with these little teeny tiny blocks so that you've got a village like this. This is a little house building set, similar. It shows you a little guide to how to put the ideas for putting them together. So just amazing little teeny tiny sets here. I love them. This is a castle set, same kind of idea. Just a little miniature building set. Thought those would be great to have on hand. Of course, my grandkids are too little for these right now, but they will be old enough in the future, and I just really enjoyed the aesthetic of these. And this is a robot, which I'd never seen before. I'd seen some of these other little building sets, but never a building set for a robot. So all the pieces there to create a robot. Very, very cute. Okay, now let's go ahead and open up one of these black and white striped ones. Okay, I know what these are as well. I think I ordered a few of these, so I'd have plenty to share with my grandkids. These are the books that you use a pencil on. You lightly color over it with a pencil, and an image appears. So I did get 4 of these dinosaur ones. I wonder if these are more. I think I got another same one. Yes, I did. I got some horse-themed ones as well. My granddaughter is really into horses right now, so I got her a horse one. The boys love dinos. And then I got a farm one here that will be good for my younger grandkiddos. Here's another horse one and another farm one. So really super cute little set. These will be perfect stocking stuffers here. I think that those are fun. I had these growing up, where you would just, again, take a pencil and an image magically appears on the paper. I think I'll go ahead and show you what one looks like. I believe I bought an extra dinosaur one to keep around the house here. So let's go ahead and try this one out. I've got my pencil, and I believe you just go along like this, along the paper. Not like pressing forward like writing, but sideways. Oh, I see here we've got a dinosaur kind of forming, as well as a prehistoric plant like a palm tree. Looks like we have a Brachiosaurus. So you can see the idea here. You can get a little bit more involved with shading that all to pull out the rest of the image. But there we have a Brachiosaurus with a prehistoric palm tree. And I imagine there will be different pictures, but it looks like we got this one first. So an adorable little Brachiosaurus. I'll be very curious if they're all the same or if they're different. So I'm going to quickly do another one here. Oh, and I can already see it is indeed different. Oh, this is so fun. I know my grandkids are just going to get a kick out of these. This will be a great, wonderful stocking stuffer. You can see all these gifts will be wonderful stocking stuffers. Here we have, what is that, a Spinosaurus perhaps? Yes, I think that's a Spinosaurus there. So different dinosaurs as well. That is so cute. Oh, I just love that. Very adorable. Okay, that's extra fun. Okay, and our next item here. Yeah, if you need a stocking stuffer ideas, I feel like this company would have some amazing choices. One of my favorite fairy tales here, we have Little Red Riding Hood, another one of the little fairy tale viewers. I looks like I bought at least 2. I'll have to see if I purchased any others in this order here, but yes, I love Little Red Riding Hood, and I look forward to teaching grandkids that story. We have, of course, read that before, but it'll be nice to have a little visual aid for that as well. Okay, and this package, I think it's another one of these, a different one. And this set is the fire station, which I know my grandkids will love. I do look forward to using this for both some different flat lay projects and miniature projects, and also just for my grandkids' small world play. We do a lot of small world play where we build little dioramas and dollhouse scenes and animal scenes, and in this case it will be perfect for a little tiny village. So more village sets here. We're going to have quite a good supply of these. We'll end up having, I'm sure, a whole tote full, and it'll really make it nice. They'll be able to set up a very involved village with those toys. And again, these would be a very excellent stocking stuffer for kids that are old enough for these tiny parts. I will have to keep a lot of these away from my littlest grandbaby. Here is another one. Now let's see, this one has the windmill. This was a windmill set, which I was really intrigued by. I've never had a windmill like this in these sets before. And of course, we've got some more people and animals and trees and houses. So each set kind of comes with one sort of specialty building piece, like the fire station or the postal station, things like that. In this case, the windmill, and then a bunch of fun houses. So really cool. Yeah, let's see. Surely we have a few more of those. I think, or a couple more at least. Here is another one, and this one's neat. It's got the little wagon here, another piece that I have never seen before. So neat. Wow, I really love that. And other just really cool small world pieces here. Let me see what this one was called. This is the post office set, so I think this is the postal carrier here. Oh, we've got this cool little structure here. Very fun. Neat buildings here. This building here. Very fun. Okay, let's open another tiny little package here. I love that they come so neatly packaged. We've got another, it's another little matchbox, but I think this one's a little bit different. Okay. These are scenes, and you can see how totally adorable this is. This is also Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs, and it is a little teeny tiny scene here with all of the little dwarves and Snow White there. Thought again that this would be a good visual aid for teaching the grandkids the story of Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. This is just so magical. I'm always intrigued by these little teeny tiny images like this. And let's see, I don't think I can pronounce any of these. I did take German for a couple of years, but the lettering is also giving me a little bit of trouble. I'm not sure if that's an S or a G. But yes, very cute, very classic German little miniature there. So Snow White, that's extra fun. We've got a few more packages. We'll save that one for last. And this one's already coming open here. You can see it's another piece to our Small World Wooden Village. And whoa, this one has a really large building in it here. That's extra fun. This could be like town hall or something. Let's see, this one is the train station. Okay, so a very large train station with a bigger train. So this is going to be super exciting. My grandkids really love trains, so we'll have to build a train station in our village. And I'm going to open this last one here. I have a feeling it's the last set of these. I would love to order more items from this company. I was focused on this stuff this time. This is another really big set. And this, I believe, is the largest set. This is the village, like a big, a large village set here. You can see a big, this one must actually be town hall. Got the clock tower there. So you could make the buildings whatever you wanted, a school, a church, different houses, things like that. So very, very fun. I am looking forward to doing some cute little flat lays of this on my Instagram. So be sure, I will put a link for that in the description box below, and I will enjoy getting these out and setting up a few little scenes there. That's very fun. So let's see, we've got our last package of the day here, again from Fair Play Projects. Oh, it looks like this might just be a little thank you gift. Oh yes, and the little Cupid doll that I ordered. Ordered a little classic miniature teeny tiny Cupid doll just because I didn't have one and thought it would be cute. And they sent along a fun little balloon and a little note here for my order. So how cute is that? That's really fun. So this is a little like activity that you can use for a child to design their own award. That's very fun. I love it when companies include little postcard activities like this. Sarah Silk does that as well. They include a lot of little postcards, and I get those for my grandkids as well. So very wonderful order here. Lots of little village items here. All of these amazing little Matchbox villages, my 2 fairy tale viewers, and my really fun magic pencil little workbooks there, and my teeny tiny Cupid doll. So that is my order from Fair Play Toys. I hope you enjoyed taking a look at that. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Goodbye.